Jeffrey and I are having a steak throwdown. 2 steaks, 2 people, 1 on the grill. I think you're going to do that one. I'm going to do one in the oven, restaurant style.
And my grill is all ready to go.
Okay, so this is what I did. I've got a 2-inch steak. It's a filet mignon. It's got oil on the outside, salt and pepper.
Who does this one?
That's yours.
Oh, that's mine, okay.
Okay, so can I give a few tips?
You can't sabotage me, though, okay?
I won't sabotage you.
They got to be positive tips, okay.
It's got to be good. Grill it for 5 minutes on each side.
Okay.
And then test it in the middle. And if it's 125 degrees.
How do I test it?
Here's your thermometer. Here, doctor, here's your thermometer.
Okay.
Right in the middle.
I just stick it in like that. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
And if it's 125 degrees, it's ready to go.
Okay.
Okay?
You want me to give you instructions on how you do this?
Please. Here, why don't you? That's your steak.
Okay,
I've
ready
got
to
mine.
go.
And may the best person
And
win.
may the best person win, okay.
I heated this pan for about 5 to 7 minutes on high heat. It's really, really hot, and that way you're gonna sear the outside. So I'm gonna cook the steak for about 2 minutes on each side. I'm gonna turn it top and bottom, and also on the edges, so it'll take about 10 minutes total. And when this is done, I'm gonna slice it and serve it with an arugula salad with a lemon vinaigrette on top. It's such a great combination.
Let's see how this is cooked. 120, 125, perfect, just perfect. And I've seen Ina wrap this in aluminum foil, and so I'm gonna do exactly the same thing, and she is not gonna believe what her hubby did.
And then my secret ingredient is 1 tablespoon of butter on top. Everything's better with butter, right? Oops, I think I forgot to tell Jeffrey about the butter. Is that cheating? Into the oven, 400 degrees, for about 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna cook that medium rare. It's about 125 degrees when it comes out of the oven. Then I'm gonna let it rest, and it'll be perfect every time.
Great afternoon's work. And now all I gotta do is sit here, wait for Ina to finish, and win.
Now that looks like a steak. That looks fantastic. Okay, I'm just gonna test the temperature. Make sure it's between 120 and 125. Okay, let's see how good I am. Bingo, I'm perfect. That's why I love doing steaks like this. It's absolutely foolproof. So onto a plate, I'm gonna let it rest. Just let it rest for about 10 minutes and all the juices get back into the steak. An arugula salad's just great on top of a steak, and the good news is I made the lemon vinaigrette ahead. It's a really simple recipe. Just half a cup of good olive oil, 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and just whisk it all together. Just drizzle enough on, not too much so you soak it, but enough to coat the leaves. Give it a little toss. This is actually my favorite salad. I love the peppery arugula. I'm gonna put a bed of arugula on each one, and then the steak's gonna go on the top. Okay. And the steak wars are on.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait a minute, yours looks pretty good. I think the only way we'll know is by slicing it.
Yours looks juicier.
Okay, so I think we should have an even test. I'll use this knife. You want to use that knife?
No, you don't. No, you don't.
It's not going to work that way.
So what are we going to do now? We're going to slice it?
Slice it, yep.
Okay. Mine looks pretty good.
Okay, I'm putting it right on the top.
Okay, I have to do it a different way.
Okay, just shaving a Parmesan. How's that?
That's good.
So should we try yours
Let's
first?
try mine first.
Okay.
Okay? I won.
That was really good.
I won. It's been really nice. Thank you very much.
No, we're not done yet. No, to taste mine now.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's pretty good. It's incredibly moist.
Well, I might have done something different.
What do you mean,
I think I
something
need to
different?
confess that I put a little butter on mine.
You put butter on it, and
It
you
made
left
it
no
taste
butter.
better.
You gave me no butter.
You can have my steak. How's that?
You're darn right I want your steak. Whoa.
I might have won, but I think I won by cheating.